This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS & Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. Economic data improved in the last weeks of September, particularly housing activity, which gained momentum with a noticeable rise in purchase demand and new construction. Purchase applications were up 15% from a year ago, and residential construction permits increased 12% from a year ago, to the highest level in 12 years. It is clear that the housing market is improving due to the unemployment rate being below 4%, the strong labor market, and low mortgage rates. Potential home buyers should take advantage of the slower pace of price appreciation before an expected rise occurs. Now is the time to buy or refinance. We get calls on a weekly basis from customers that are interested in buying a home but don't know where to start. If you have questions about anything and want to speak to a loan officer before you get started with the process, give us a call. In most cases, we can get your questions answered over the phone, or we can set up an appointment. Get your pre-qualification with JTS & Company before seeking a real estate agent. The first step to getting pre-qualified for a home loan is to submit a pre-qual application. You can do this through our text app, our website, or you can come into the office. You may ask why being pre-qualified is so important. Having a pre-qualification letter from a trusted mortgage company like JTS & Company will show the sellers and your realtor that you are serious and qualified to place an offer on their home. They tend to take your offer more seriously when you do. One of the biggest mistakes we see is someone trying to get a mortgage through a national lender. We receive calls daily from frustrated buyers because they were told they were Rocket approved, only to see the Rocket crash and burn mid-process. They are extremely happy when we are able to work out their transaction with a better interest rate and lower cost. Don't take this chance by working with someone who isn't local, that you can't sit down face-to-face with. In addition, it's very important to know how much house you can afford. Don't waste time, effort, and false hope looking at homes that are out of reach. Know with confidence what you can afford before you start looking at homes. Total home equity reached a record of $15.8 trillion in the first quarter of 2019. With rates where they are right now, don't miss the opportunity to let your equity work for you through a cash-out refinance. We have many customers that are currently taking advantage of the low rates and are paying down credit cards, medical debt, or other large monthly expenses. At JTS & Company, the consultation is free. Most people are inundated with offers to refinance from national companies who only want to sell you a product and will charge you points to buy down your interest rate. Even if you already have started with a national company, it's not too late. Let us give you a second opinion. It doesn't cost anything to make sure you're getting the best option. At JTS & Company, we will discuss your goals and the mortgage options that fit your specific situation best. We strive to be your lifetime mortgage advisor, from your very first purchase to your refinance to your final dream home. We want to be your trusted aid throughout the progression. If you're considering purchasing or refinancing a home, give us a call. Interest rates are the lowest they've been in 3 years, and it's a great time to take advantage of the low cost of owning a home. At JTS & Company, we are local, trusted, and experienced, and we are your lifetime mortgage advisors. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS & Company Mortgage Professionals.